Hello everyone and welcome to today's daily market review. After another crazy and insane day, really crazy. After Netflix earnings, we triggered a big move up on the market, big short squeeze. So let's look into those charts and see where we stand right now. Let's look first for SPY. SPY that. At the end of last week, he tried to print a bearish reversal candle, gap below the 8-day moving average, and stopped exactly where he should, the 21-day moving average. So the momentum keeps holding, and each pullback stopping at 21-day moving average. And yesterday closed above the 8-day moving average, and today basically open above the yesterday highs, gap up, never saw new lows on the day and squeeze back up, closing and making new all-time highs 384.79. So where we stand right now, pretty much bullish, at least for now, pretty much bullish action. Netflix triggered a big short squeeze with FANG names getting some nice momentum going up. So the bull case keeps going, and at least for now. So I keep the bull case while we are above today lows of today 380.69. So keeping the bull case while above 380.69. I believe we should pause here, some consolidation. It would be healthy, but who knows, if we go above 385, we can go and continue to squeeze back up. Okay, so staying open-minded for that. The cubes, same thing, very big gap and go from the open, going and printing new all-time highs 324.74 after the Netflix earnings, keeping exactly the same thing, bullish while we are above 320. If it goes above 325, looking for a big short squeeze up, but I believe it would be healthy, some consolidation, so not chasing the move here, but that does not mean it's an easy short or a short. The bull case continued, stock above the 821, the moving average, with the bull case pretty much intact. Small caps, today I got some puts. A little bit early it was here, I got squeezed back up, and just to see it plummet at the middle of the session, middle of the morning. So those puts worked very well, but it's part of trading. I was focusing on other names. I took the loss here and moved the money to other place. But happy to see that traders with some more patience were able to book very nice profits. So what was the rationale behind that? I started seeing small caps lagging. I saw some relative weakness before the market opened. Everyone was looking for Nasdaq and for SP500. So I believe that I also saw some bearish options activity on small caps. So I decided to fade a bit. It was a bit too early, but even after the pain, it gave a very nice pullback. So we closed kind with a doji, some indecision here. Closed pretty much at the open. We opened at 214.36. We closed at 214.37, just 1 cent above today open. So pretty much flat for the day. So the big question is now what? Now if the small caps go below 213, I see 210 as the first level. If it breaks below, we have 208. 204, but we need to see it. We need below 213 to trigger a trade. I keep it on my watch, not looking to chase here, but that does not mean it's an easy short. It can resume back up. Yes, above 216 can go all the way to 220. Looking for Apple, I played out of the gate calls 129 on Apple. It was a beautiful trade, and those calls basically tripled the money. And I closed for a very nice cash flow. I trade for a living, I trade for cash flow. Out of the gate, I got some calls, get in, book my profits, but it continued to resume and more than double. It was very easy. I locked on this scalp around 40% profit, so I was very happy with that. And why is that? Because Netflix triggered the momentum, and after the market open, saw bullish options activity and saw stocks start running above the 821 day moving average. So I was looking for a move into 131, 132. I told you that 131, 132 was the level. Big resistance. Now what? Needs above 133 to continue the bull run. So keep it on your watch. Day 1 yesterday, day 2 today. Trying to break needs above 133, above 133, watch out, can go all the way $3-4 up in the next couple of sessions, but we need to see it. Amazon, exactly the same thing. Big gap and go. I focus on Apple and it worked very well, but Amazon, it was other thing named that basically gap above all the key moving averages and squeeze shorts, getting 3279.8. Above that we have 3300 and can go all the way above 3350, and above that who knows what the hell is going to happen. So congratulations to all the traders. Boeing, today I got some calls. I booked profits on the calls after the market open, and I start seeing some fading. I closed the calls for 30% profits and I jump into puts out of the money. It worked very well. I booked more than 40% profits on that one, and I booked the profits and closed. So it was a very beautiful play for upside, for downside. It was a beautiful trade there. Now what? Now we need for the bull case on Boeing a move above 216 for a big short squeeze all the way into $220, $230. But we need to see it. Bear case scenario needs a break below today lows of today, below 211, and below that 205, 202 can be the level. So I keep it on my watch. Neither bullish, neither bearish. I trade for a living. I got calls, book profits on the calls, switch to puts, book profits on the puts, and I got back into the cash, waiting for the next trigger. Another one that I had to the watch list, BBBY. Why? We saw very nice big move last week. The stock went 2-3 days pullback, trying to hold here above 24. I'll be looking if it goes into the 8-day moving average, looking for a possible bullish reversal candle and play the bounce. So I have it here on my watch, so keep it also on your watch. BTBT, it was a beautiful trade today. I saw this pop here with very nice volume. I get into those shares, got long stock, book profits from 60.5 all the way into $18, book the profits, and it was another beautiful trade for cash flow. Now what? Needs above today, highs of today, above 18.2. We can go all the way above $20. We have a gap to fill at 24, so who knows? Staying open mind. Set your triggers above 18.2. That's the level. Today, highs of today, above that. Look for a move above $20 plus, so keep it on your watch. Facebook, another one that I gave you yesterday, said that looking for calls, 255 strike for this week, and those calls today it's more than $15, so congratulations to all the traders that got there, basically from 5 all the way to the 15, so basically triple the money overnight if you got those calls, and they play very well. They went to 3. On day 3 you trim the profits and wait. Not saying that the stock cannot go higher. Yes, it can. Needs above $270 to go all the way into 280. That's the next big level. But we remain cautious, looking for a possible pause here before triggering the next trade. Net Cloudflare today saw some bullish options activity. The stock seems calling here for a possible break. Has $80 as support, needs above 85. Set your triggers above 85. Can go back into $88, $90 area. So keep it on your watch, following the bullish options activity on the name. Netflix, it was the reason for all these FANG short squeeze up, and basically report earnings, gap up, and printing a new low and resume back up, making higher highs, higher lows, and hitting new all-time highs 593. I'm not looking to have this one. It has a wide range. I believe that some consolidation for some days here would be healthy, but who knows, if it goes above 593, can go all the way into $600, so keep it on your watch. NIO also had on watch, trying to hold here $55, $56, bounce, holding, trying to hold the 8-day moving average. Trigger for the longs above 60, trigger for the shorts below 55 to fill the gap at 54.6, as the also 21-day moving average is 54, so having the stock on the watch list. Nikola, exactly the same thing, big move last week, fading a bit, bounce from the 8-day moving average today, needs above 20.7, that's today, highs of the day above 20.7, can go all the way into $22, $23, if extends 24, and it has a gap to fill at 27, so keep it also on your watch. Palantir keeps coiling here, no real action yet, but it's holding above the 8 and 21-day moving average, so waiting for the trigger. Trigger needs above 28, for a move into 30s. Below 25 we have $22, $23 area, so keeping the stock on watch list for a possible move. Space, exactly the same thing. Today try to break higher, didn't happen, needs above $34 for a move into 35, so keep it also on your watch. Tesla, no action here. Today try to fade a bit after the market open. Bull step in and push back up, but basically going nowhere. So bull case scenario needs above 868, above 68 in my opinion can go all the way into $900. Bear case scenario needs below the 8-day moving average, below 830, can get ugly for a move into 766, that's the 21-day moving average, so keep it on your watch. Finally, Twitter. Yesterday we got calls on Twitter. Sadly, I got stopped on those calls, but look for the move. We got calls here playing for upside, bullish reversal candle yesterday. I said day one on the bullish reversal candle, what a big move. Day 1, 2, on day 2 it trimmed profits, especially with the stock hitting $47.70. That was the 8-day moving average. My first target, it was hit today. Now what? Needs above $47.92 to try to go into the $48, $49 as a gap to fill at $50. Not chasing this one, the move was yesterday, so congratulations to all the longs. So basically here where we stand, very bullish action, big gap, squeeze back up, lots of momentum, the FANG rebuilding once again, looking to see if tomorrow and into the end of the week we are going to have some follow through, some continuation, and trying to generate the cash flow the best way we can. Okay, so thank you all for watching, wish you all great trading, stay safe, bye bye everyone.